Hey, how's it going? So this video, I wanted to show you how to remove the interfering on your Ducati Panigale V4, V2. It works for all those. So what you need is a 4mm long hex head, Allen head, so you can reach up in here, and then also a 3mm Allen. So you got one bolt here. Take that one off. Then you pop out here. Then to get to, there's a hidden bolt up here, up under here. That's a 4mm. That's why you need this long 4mm extension. And there you have it. So this is the hidden 4mm bolt that I was talking about. So when you go to put it back on, I like to just line up this first, then you have your hole. Let's get it started. Let's get it nice and tight in there. You have your pin right here with the rubber grommet. Slides on, and then your screw with your pipe. That's it. That's how to change your interfering on your Ducati Panigale V4, V4S, Superleggra, V4R,